Hi, this is Omar from Distilogix. I'm here at the Summit, Citrix Summit, with Jason Smith from Liquidware. Jason, how are you doing today?
Great. Thanks for stopping by.
Yeah, no problem, man. Can you tell us a little bit about what's going on at Liquidware Lab so I can tell our Middle East audience what's up with Liquidware these days?
Well, you come by at a great time because here in the last several months we had updates to every one of our products. With Profile Unity and FlexApp, we had updates in the area of FlexApps being able to click to layer. So that dramatically speeds up how you get your applications in. If they're never clicked on, they're never layered. So as soon as the user clicks on it, they're mounted, they come in. This works on Zen app and Zen server as well, works on any type of desktop. But since we're at a Citrix show, I mentioned those. So click to layer is new in there. We have session isolation too, and that's specific for Zen app to help things run smoother with Zen app. So now you can have like a walled garden. So one Zen app server, you can have multiple Flex apps on there. And if they're applied to one unique user, given our context-aware settings, other users don't see those and don't interact with those applications. So what this does is really minimize base image management by doing that. We also have, for enterprises, delegated administration, and it lets you get really in-depth. So if you want a Flex app administrator just to be able to do Flex apps and package them and allocate those per user, you can do that. If you want another person just to map printers and drives, given our context-aware settings, you can limit them just to do that too. So multiple departments can have their own configurations that way. With Stratosphere, we gave updates to that as well. So Stratosphere is now more scalable than ever before. I mean, we could scale really easily, but now we can do it without additional hardware needed. We have extra agents added in, recently an update to an iOS agent, but also an iGel specific agent so you can manage iGel hardware, so you can get metrics of what's going on the hardware on that end. So Stratosphere has received significant updates. One of the most exciting things we're excited about that we want to share to you kind of in this private setting with this interview with Omar is what we call Optimizer. So that's a little secret there, we kind of soft launched that. But if you are already a Stratosphere user, or if you want to check this out, Optimizer inside of Stratosphere will optimize application performance based on whatever application's in the forefront. Now, that might sound familiar. You think, well, I can do that with a Citrix embedded tool, or I can do this in this area with that embedded tool. But keep in mind, this works across any Windows desktop or server, so it works at a higher level, and it gives you great CPU optimization and also allocation for the resources for that user, so you just have, it's a set it and forget it. Really, once you roll it out, you have this improved performance on every single desktop. So we're most excited about that because we've been asked for years, how can we have this same type of performance you might find in some of the other products in the market, and we've embedded that as part of Stratosphere, so for no extra expense.
Awesome, awesome. Sounds like a lot of awesome things going on there. Thank you very much, Jason. It's good seeing you.
Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you soon.